Are you ready for a week of love, unity, and reconnection? Join us for the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service Family Week from the 19th to the 25th of August 2024 between 900 hours and 1500 hours. Our prisons across Zimbabwe will be transformed into hubs of love, joy, and togetherness. We invite you to be a part of the Family Week, where inmates will reunite with their families, friends, and beloved ones. Please come and enjoy a range of activities, which includes family counseling sessions, children's entertainment, sports, cultural activities, delicious foods, among other things. Even in the Bible, it says, "I was in prison and you came to visit me." Please do not miss this opportunity to strengthen family bonds and show love and support to the incarcerated. Mark your calendar, ZPCS Family Week. Please remember to bring your national identity card. ZPCS Family Week, building stronger families, love and joy. See you there.